Hic. It just happened to you, didn't it? Or it's going to happen today. Or it happened this morning when you drink something too fast. Or you're eating right now and you're thinking, please don't. Hiccups. The most undignified thing your body does. Completely involuntary, impossible to stop, and utterly pointless. Or so you think. Because here's the thing about hiccups that nobody ever tells you. They have a secret. And that secret is genuinely one of the most fascinating stories in human biology. First, what is actually happening? Inside your chest, right below your lungs, sits a large dome-shaped muscle called the diaphragm. It is the main muscle of breathing. Every single breath you take, your diaphragm contracts, pulls downward, air rushes in. Then it relaxes, air goes out. In, out, in, out. Your entire life, without a single complaint, quietly, faithfully, never stopping. And then something irritates it. You eat too fast, you swallow air, you drink something fizzy. Your stomach expands suddenly, and your diaphragm, that faithful, quiet muscle, has a tantrum. It contracts suddenly, involuntarily, without warning. Air rushes into your lungs so fast that your vocal cords snap shut. And that snapping, that sound, is the hiccup. Hic. Not your stomach, not your throat, your vocal cords slamming shut because your diaphragm lost its mind for half a second. Now here's the part that is genuinely extraordinary. Why does this happen at all? What is the point? And here's where the story gets ancient, really ancient. Scientists believe hiccups are an evolutionary leftover from before we were fully human, from when our very distant ancestors were not breathing air, they were breathing water. Fish and early amphibians have a reflex that closes the opening to their lungs while their gill pumping mechanism works. They pump water over their gills and close the airway so water doesn't get into the lungs. The same reflex, the exact same neural pathway, still exists in your brain right now, doing nothing useful, just there, a ghost of something ancient. Your hiccup is the memory of a time when your ancestors breathed underwater. Let that sit for a moment. But here's the question everyone actually wants answered. How do you stop them? And here's where it gets genuinely funny, because nobody actually knows. Seriously, thousands of years of human civilization. We have sent people to the moon. We have mapped the human genome. We have discovered dark matter. And we cannot, with any scientific certainty, tell you how to stop hiccups. Holding your breath might work, might not. Drinking water upside down might work, might not. Someone scaring you might work, might not. The sugar on your tongue trick might work, might not. A study from 2021 actually found that slow rhythmic drinking through a straw, something called the sippy cup technique, had some success in stopping hiccups. But even that works only some of the time, because hiccups are essentially a glitch, and glitches don't follow rules. But here's where it gets serious for a moment. Most hiccups last a few minutes. Normal, fine, annoying. But there is a medical condition called intractable hiccups, where a person hiccups for more than 48 hours. Charles Osborne of Iowa in America holds the world record. He hiccuped continuously from 1922 to 1990, 68 years, an estimated 430 million hiccups. He ate, he slept, he lived his life with hiccups for 68 years. And here's the most remarkable part. He stopped hiccuping 1 year before he died. Just stopped. Nobody knows why. So why do we get hiccups? A spasm in an ancient muscle, triggered by things that irritate your stomach or diaphragm, producing a sound that your vocal cords make involuntarily. That is a ghost reflex from a time when your ancestors had gills that nobody can reliably stop, that one man experienced for 68 years. Your body is doing this. your magnificent, extraordinary, complex, miraculous body, still carrying around an underwater breathing glitch from 375 million years ago, just in case. Just in case you ever need to breathe underwater again. You won't, but it doesn't know that. Share this with someone who is hiccuping right now.